we don't come as we dey come o. We greet papa, we greet mama, we greet pikin, we greet we greet everybody. Say una welcome to African Drum Circle today. Today na ogbonge thing we wan follow una talk. My name na Taiwo Shoibo.
My own name na Ayodiro Oluwatobiloba. You know as dey go now.
Yes, so as she talk now say una know as the thing dey do a thing, as e dey go. Wetin we carry come today on African Drum Circle? I wan make una lis ten well. Na do a thing, na classroom na we dey today. Make Ayodiro explain plenty things for us wey we no know. We just dey see am, but we no know how the thing take come out to be wetin e be. Ayodiro, how you wan take start today?
Thank you, my host. Now well done for house, so how everything na. Just now they do well. Thank God. You know the last time when we did program, we don talk about the part of the drum. After that kind thing, wetin be the next thing now to teach us about the rudiment, the foundation. If you wan even know how they knock the drum, so you must know the rudiment.
How dem dey put one sound and one sound together, make it make
sense, make it make sound,
make it no make noise but sense.
Make person go fit do wetin,
fit
dance to. This drum as you dey see am so, e get 3 major tones.
3 tones.
3. 1, 2, 3. 3 major tones na im dey here.
Wetin be the tone?
The tone na im be do, re, mi. Do, re, mi.
On top this drum.
On top this drum o.
Na im come get 3 tones, so play make we hear.
Na just the hand adjustment na im go dey use dey do wetin. Na im go just dey use dey adjust am. As you press am,
I will give you different sound wey you want. That do re mi.
Yes.
Make we hear am.
If you wan get do, you dey hear as they call am do. Your hand no go too comot for the drum. Do.
You say that do. If you wan
come get re, you go come press your hand small as I press like this.
Okay.
If you wan come get me, you go come press am well.
So make you come hear the do re mi now.
Make I start from the back.
Mi re do. Okay, as if you start from the back to the front, from the front to the back. If you start from middle to the back to the front, make you hear am. Re mi do. Re mi do. Re mi do. So now, as we don learn, say okay, the drum we get 3 sound on and so we dey make 3 sound. Do, re, mi.
Yes.
How person go come make am when they dance, they teach how they take do am.
If you wan know how you wan start today, na small, no go fit just enter say you wan dey do. No. Everything na small. If you wan start like person wey just begin, you go dey do small reading. Small reading.
That's
no,
do re mi.
Yes, for that do re mi. You know you get woro, you get high life. If you start from small one, you say na slow woro. Like this kind one. And one thing I need to tell you now, say this my stick, no be only hand work. You see this my hand. See this my hand too in the work.
Which one? Make we put am small for them. If you understand well. You say this congo is the work.
Yes.
This 3 hand self dey work. And this your shoulder so dey press the drum self. E dey work. Now make we start like this. Wetin this one dey do inside the work?
If you wan knack drum, you no fit use your hand knack this kind drum o. If you get some drum wey be say dem dey use hand knack.
Okay.
But this kind drum wey we dey call gong na stick. Na the stick be this. You no get any other stick. Na the stick wey you go use knack.
Na be this. Okay.
Yes.
Now, I notice say this stick self, e dey burst this drum. Why?
I tell you the pressure don plenty. No say at time as you dey drum, you go dey enjoy yourself. You just dey before you look it. Hey!
Okay, that's for professional.
Yeah.
Now for learner like people wey dey watch us.
Yes.
Or people wey dey wan learn the drum.
Yeah.
this drum now for this place what do they take stick knack am and take the come burst.
Na because
and I give you a person fit knack for this drum.
No, if you want the drum, you go dey target the middle.
The center.
The center. Because na there sef the voice, the sound dey.
Wey we dey produce.
If you dey put now, may I try something. Yeah, no.
Say okay.
Na the middle be that.
No be the tip.
Yes, so no.
Na in the sound, na the center gangan.
The sound.
Na in go beat. Now we don know that now. Wetin this hand dey do for drum?
Now you dey call counting.
Counting.
You dey count something.
Like the metronome.
Yes. This my host, you sabi grammar, so like you. Now you dey call counting. You use dey count your beats, so you no go dey off. You go even know say okay, na what I dey play. Na high life I dey play. Na that kind word of that.
If the rhythm fast, you go know.
Yes, you go
if
know.
If slow,
yes,
you go know.
So you go dey use this one dey support am. If now, may we do example now.
Okay.
You do. You don't see the thing. No too full for here. Make I come hand by hand.
Now the thing wey me I notice be say between do and re there is a space.
Yes.
If you take that thing go keyboard now, it get as people wey dey play keyboard go understand wetin I dey talk now. Now that do re mi for drum that space sef make you say do wait re wait mi re that and na dey feel that space.
Yes.
So by the time we play do you go get something wey you go fit move to before you come play re. Yeah, make you do am again. Okay, now you don learn say the stick dey work, the hand sef dey support am with as metronome. Now this hand wey you dey do like ascot, why?
This hand dey very important. Na the adjuster o. The hand don the moment you carry the drum like this, e don become adjuster. Because say you know say you want the adjuster and make it dey give you the tone wey you want. You go need to use this hand. If I leave my hand like this, na wetin I go do with this? You don't see am so. But see, I want
now the hand dey take manipulate am make you fit produce all those kind sound. That's the do. Or na me na you wan produce na the shoulder dey take do am. Okay, there make we see. Okay, this is what I notice dey say the thing dey go up. They come down.
So now like
why?
Now in the talk now, if you want get do, you go there how you go place your hand. If you want get me, you go there how you go place your hand. Now you go use the they change and
control and
control and
manipulate and they produce do. Another thing I ask be say, I notice say some notes you play am 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. Why?
And it depends on what you want talk. If I want talk ba. Okay, that one now. If I want to baba, rere, because of that baba where I want to talk for the drum, I need to knock am 2 times. If I want to dodo, plantain, no the chop. I go need knock dodo 2 times.
Okay.
You understand?
Now as we dey knock the tone 2 times,
yes,
they produce different drum language. Now make I give you assignment or make I give you such way we go do for us wey people go learn now. We go play Elédùmarè ọba wa, Elédùmarè ọba wa, mo dúpẹ́ Elédùmarè. I go come make am really be say na that thing we dey play, we go fit dance to am. Very much. Like my brother from Ibadan, also say thank you very much. I know say people don't learn plenty things on top the program today, African Drum Circle. Before we go, wetin you get for our people?
My people, for anything at all wey una dey do, no dey give up o. If you know say you don get something wey say your mind dey for am, no give up at all o. And for this drum, so if you wan learn am, e dey very very easy. My hope say e dey very
since
easy.
you say if you wan learn the drum, Ayodele say him get class wey dey take teach boys, girls. Abi na only girls you dey teach?
No be only girls o, na everybody.
If you say papa say we wan,
papa wey just wan learn,
mama say we wan,
we just wan learn.
make una contact us on this channel. If una no get Ayodele number, e go help you connect Ayodele how we take come teach una the gangan. Some people dey call ourselves Apala. Or you go tell them your number.
Okay,
tell them your number.
I fit tell them my number. My number na 081 33 717 331.
For my people wey dey
Obodo Oyibo,
wetin dem go press, so dem go press the number
+234 81 33 717 331.
na so the number wey I take call Ayodele say okay o, make you come teach my pikin o, teach my children o how you go take fit dey play this talking drum.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very very much. We
pleasure.
appreciate your call. I know say when you call you next time, you go fit do wetin
Yes, sir.
come answer our call.
Yes.
My name na Taiwo.
Yes.
Make Ayodele tell us as e dey go and make e take drum do wetin tell us say bye bye. Bye bye.